Hi, this is Leo, and I'm going to show you how you can add Accelerated Reader in TypingClub to your apps page in Google Chrome. Right now we're looking at the Chrome browser. What you'll want to do is come to the top left here and you should see this icon that says Apps at the very beginning. I'm going to click on it. And then when this page opens, it's going to show us a number of the G Suite apps here. And that also has the option to go to the web store, and that's what we want to do. When we get to the web store, it's set to extensions by default, but I want to come down to the bottom here and click For Bemidji Elementary. When this page opens, we have two options, Accelerated Reader and TypingClub. So I'm going to click on Accelerated Reader first. And when I do that, this window is going to pop up, and it's going to give me the option to add to Chrome. And another box that pops up, Add App. And now we're going to see Accelerated Reader here at the very bottom of my apps page. Let's go with TypingClub this time. We'll click on it, Add to Chrome, Add App, and now this is going to pop up at the bottom as well. You can also grab and then drop these anywhere you want to rearrange. So if there's something you're going to be using on a regular basis, you want to have it at the top here, you can certainly move those. You can do that with any of the apps here, not just the Accelerated Reader and TypingClub. And then when you want to use one, all you need to do is click on it, and then it'll take you to that page. And that's all there is to it.